Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with us how I make this veggies tuna pizza. Normally I make it with just the vegetables, but today I thought to, change things up. So without wasting time, I have peeled and just shredding the cauliflowers now. And this is what it looks like. So I will go ahead and shred the rest of the cauliflower while you watch. And at this point, I'm done shredding the cauliflowers. This is what I have left of the whole stuff. So this is the whole thing, looking like gari. So the flowers are ready. I'll just go ahead and over to the next stage is to crack and beat the eggs. Beat the eggs. This is hard cheese. I bought the sliced ones, so I would go ahead and cut it up in smaller bits. I ended up using this whole pack and it's about 200 grams. So here I'm just cutting them up in smaller bits. This, alongside the beaten eggs, is going to serve to bind the cauliflowers together so it doesn't fall apart. Now it's time to prepare the pizza dough. Here we are using the cauliflowers, the beaten eggs, and the shredded cheese. Now I'm done mixing. I'll just set this aside and go over to the next stage. The next thing I did was line the tray. And then I would be transferring the dough onto the baking sheet and then forming the pizza dough with my hands into the shape I want, usually circle. I hope it turns out circular. And with clean hands, I went ahead to mold this into a circle, like I'm doing here right now. At this point, I'm satisfied with the work. I feel it's circular enough. I think the shape is okay. So we'll go ahead in a bit to bake. We'll be baking this till it's golden brown, and that took like 15-20 minutes. Here I'm preheating the oven to about 200 degrees Celsius. And the next thing I'll be doing now is to prepare the pizza sauce. This is a tomato pack and it contains oregano and basil leaves. So I'll be using this. All I did was go ahead and spice it up the way I wanted, with all purpose, like mixed spices, a little bit of turmeric and salt, thyme, and things like that. I actually used fresh pepper, but you can skip that if you don't want it hot. This process didn't take me much time because I just had this pot on a low heat, combined the whole ingredients, like mix in the spices, and then set it aside. One of the things I'll be topping it with is a tuna, and here is a tin of tuna fish. I would be draining off the oil now. Then I would go ahead to shred it up for our topping. Next thing is slicing the bell peppers and tomatoes. These ones are ready. The next thing is to bring out some fresh salad vegetables. Here I have some field salad and the rest. Some baby spinach. You can see that. The base for pizza is ready. The next stage will be to garnish it. First goes our tomato sauce. Then some soft shredded cheese. You can see this is different from the one I used to make the base. This is actually soft and melts easily. So I'll just cover the top with the cheese, and then here goes the tuna fish. Afterwards comes the bell pepper and tomatoes. And then I went ahead to top it with some olive. After about 5-10 minutes in the oven, the cheese, you can see, is all melted. I went ahead to top it with my fresh salad, then put it back in the oven for about just a maximum of a minute. And here is what we have. Oh, that looks so I'll leave the description to you. Tell me what you think in the comment section, please. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I thank you so much for tuning in. If you are coming here for the first time, you're welcome. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.